Hi you all. Okay, so hari ni Amma nak continue education video chapter 2A SNR. Alright. So SNE pula. SNR ni apa? SNR adalah support dan resistance. So siapa-siapa yang dah trade or have knowledge about forex mesti dah tahu support and resistance ni apa. Alright. Tak apa, Amma explain sebab ramai orang still actually tak tahu. Okay, so you just gonna ingat support ni support and resistance ni, SNR ni, okay, stands for maximum amount that price will go or collect before change direction. Okay, maksud dia price dia akan pergi satu maximum amount lah, maximum price. Okay, sebelum dia tukar direction. Okay, so there's only two. Okay, there's only two SNR. Okay, so Amma explain support dulu . So, contohnya support. Okay, support. This is support. Okay, maximum. Okay, maximum price akan ambil. Okay, bila dia menurun. Bila price menurun, okay, dia akan menurun sampai dia jumpa support. So this is support. Okay, so bila dia dah jumpa support, dia akan tukar direction. So dia akan menaik. Okay, so it's a shape of V. Okay, so remember support is a shape of V. This is support. Okay, so bila price menurun sampai dia jumpa maximum amount, which is support, and then dia akan tukar direction. Okay, so Amai bagi contoh lagi sekali for support. Okay, contoh ni adalah support. Support is the maximum amount. Salah spelling. Support is the maximum amount that price akan collect sebelum dia menaik. Okay, so price menurun, then jumpa dah support. So sekarang dia akan buat apa? Dia akan menaik. Dia akan tukar direction, dia akan menaik lah. Okay, so remember support is in the shape of V. Okay, now resistance pula. Tadi support menurun, betul tak? Resistance is menaik. So this is resistance. Okay, so price menaik sampai dia jumpa maximum amount yang price akan collect, which is resistance. And then once price dah collect resistance, dia akan buat apa? Dia akan menurun. Dia akan tukar direction. Okay, so as you can see here, it's in the shape of A. Betul tak? In the shape of A. Okay, so ni adalah resistance. Okay, I'm going to repeat lagi sekali. Okay, for resistance, okay, price menaik. Okay, this is resistance. Price menaik. Then price jumpa resistance, then price akan buat apa? Dan price akan tukar direction, so price akan menurun. Okay, so kenapa orang akan pakai SNR ni? Okay, Amoy pakai SNR sebab for two things je. To entry and tengok direction. Okay, so macam mana kita nak entry dekat SNR? Okay, so contoh Amoy bagi satu example kat sini. Ni resistance, ni support. Okay, so let's just say price is here right now. Okay, so price menurun. Price dah jumpa support dah. Okay, so price dah jumpa support. Sekarang dia akan buat apa? price akan tukar direction. So, price akan menaik. So, kita patutnya buat apa dekat sini? Kita patutnya buy. Sebab kita tahu price dah jumpa support. So, price akan menaik. Okay, so buy dekat support. Okay, entry dekat support. Entry buy dekat support. Okay, so now we see, price dah collect support. Kita pun dah entry buy. Price pun dah naik. Okay, so sekarang price dah naik. Next dia akan buat apa? Dia akan cari resistance lah. Betul tak? So price naik. And then, okay, jumpa dah resistance. So now we know, bila price dah jumpa resistance, price akan tukar direction. So price akan menurun. So patutnya kita buat apa? Kita patutnya sell dekat resistance. Why? Because we know that price have collected resistance. So it's time to change direction. Price akan okay, so bila price dah jumpa support, dah jumpa resistance, then dia akan cari apa pula? Dia akan sambung balik. Okay, resistance, bila price dah jumpa resistance, dia akan cari support balik. Bila dah jumpa support, dia akan cari resistance balik. Okay, basically it's like that. Okay, faham tak? Amal lukis lagi sekali ya. Just ingat, support is in the shape of V. Resistance is in the shape of A. Okay, so kita boleh nampak dekat sini adalah satu support, betul tak? Dan dekat sini ada satu resistance, support. Okay, nampak tak? Price dah jumpa support, resistance, dia akan cari support. Bila dah jumpa support, dia akan cari balik ke resistance. Okay, alright. Dekat sini, I know Amor tak ajar breakout apa-apa lagi. Amor just nak ajar macam mana kita nak identify support and resistance. So, ni support lah kan? Ni resistance lah kan? Ni support. Ni resistance. Okay, just take note. Kita nak buy dekat support, sell dekat resistance. Okay, but how can we identify if support and resistance ni valid? Okay, bukan semua support and resistance valid, betul tak? Walaupun kita nampak dekat chart, mana-mana tempat ada support and resistance, but not every support and resistance is valid. So macam mana kita nak identify SNR yang valid? Kalau nak tahu, kena join classroom Amoy. Okay, stay tuned, nanti Amoy akan update chapter 2B.